Good morning, everyone. It's Monday. Welcome back to school. Let's get started with morning meeting.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one.
And indivisible. Days of the week. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Yay, guys! It's a new week. We're almost done with the school year.
The month is April. What is the month? April.
Today is Monday, April 27, 2020. The weather today is still going to continue to be hot. I know it's been sunny, a little bit of rain, but it's going to be hot, so stay hydrated, guys. Drink lots and lots of water. For our life skills this week, we are going to be learning folding clothing. So I'll be submitting a PowerPoint and a worksheet that needs to be completed on Wednesday. Remember, be active. Continue to exercise, guys. It's really good for the body. Keep your energy going. For our social skills lesson, what did you do over the weekend? I actually went to go see my mom. I went and spent some time with her. I hadn't seen her. I know it's been hard, but what did you do? That's awesome. For today's agenda, we're going to be doing reading. So we're going to continue with our weekly content assignment. So we're going to be doing reading, and then I'll be sending your social stories, your life skills, and your story time, and all of that good stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or email me. All right, let's get started.